We're now ready to use the trick that I hinted at in a previous video to simplify this fraction. We're going to start by factorizing both the top and the bottom. On the top line, we have a common factor of 4, which would leave us with x plus 1 in the brackets. And on the bottom, we have a common factor of 2, which again would leave us with x plus 1 in the brackets after we've divided by 2. And so as we saw in the previous video now, we can just cancel those out, leaving us with 4 over 2, which becomes 2. So this complex, relatively complicated fraction that we started with, where we couldn't cancel out the x's, suddenly we can get rid of the x's and simplify it all the way down to the number 2. We can use that same technique to simplify this fraction here. If we looked at the methods we've been using up until now, we'd start by looking at the numbers and we'd see 5, 10, 14 and 7. There's no common factor, so we can't simplify the numbers. We'd then look at the letters and we'd see, well, while we have an x in these three terms, there's no x in this term, so we can't go any further. But actually, if we factorize the top, so take out a common factor of 5, leaving us with x plus 2 in the brackets. And on the bottom, both terms have a common factor of 7x. So we take 7x outside, divide through by 7x, and we get just x plus 2 again. And so now we can cancel out those x plus 2's, leaving us with 5 over 7x. Much, much simpler than what we started with. Here are 2 more fractions for you to try simplifying using the same method. Pause the video and use either your mini whiteboard or a sheet of paper to do your working. When you're ready, press play and the solutions will appear one at a time.